First, open up any folder. On the top, select Options, then go to the View tab. Scroll down, and enable Launch Folder Windows in a separate process. Press the Start button, and search for regedit. Run it as an administrator. Expand HKey_current_user. Go to Software, Classes, CLSID. Select CLSID, then right-click the right pane and create a new key. Change its name to this value. Create a new key, and set its name to nproxserver32. Make sure the default value is empty. Exit the registry and restart your computer. Here is the old Windows 10 desktop right-click menu. Files menu also got restored. All done. Please subscribe.